Evan, thanks so much for joining us here from your big partner summit where you just unveiled some really big news. I am going to ask you about that Instagram news, but first I want to start off with your news. You just unveiled your next generation of spectacles, their augmented reality glasses, and also an operating system for developers. When will consumers be able to buy these devices and how much are they going to cost? Who are you competing with here?
Thanks, Julia. We are so excited that you're here with us today at the Snap Partner Summit, and we're even more excited about the Snap Spectacles. The 5th generation is out today, featuring our all-new operating system that's based on natural interaction. So you just use your hands and your voice to interact with augmented reality. And what's so exciting about Spectacles is that it brings us closer to our vision for people using computing together, grounded in the real world with their friends. And that's something we've been working on for a long time now.
But so we also have two other giants who've been working on this, which are Apple and Meta. They've been throwing a ton of money on this. We have yet to see augmented reality go mainstream. Why does it make sense to invest so much in this at a time when your stock is down 43% year to date?
We've also yet to see augmented reality glasses from either of those companies. So it'll be interesting to see if they follow our lead here. I think the reason why we're so convinced that AR glasses are the path forward is because people are getting tired of screens. And we've worked really hard to try to innovate with screens, to make them better, to make them more fun to use. But at the end of the day, they're just screens. And people feel isolated by their screens. They feel like it takes them away from their friends and family. Glasses are a way to use computing that actually brings us together and keeps us connected with the real world.
But give us a sense of the timeline here. These devices, maybe you could pull them up and show them to our viewers. I got to try them out. They're very cool, but they're still not being sold to consumers. How much will you sell them for? When can we expect these to be competing with whatever it is that maybe Meta will be introducing next week at its summit?
We've initially focused on our developer community. So there are hundreds of thousands of developers who are already using Lens Studio to build millions of lenses. And today they can go on spectacles.com, link to Lens Studio, and sign up for our developer program, which is just $99 a month. We've tried to really lower the barrier to folks getting started with this new technology. So they'll get Spectacles and Snap support to bring their imagination to life.
But explain how this fits in with your overall business. I mentioned the stock is down 43% year to date. Explain to investors what you're doing to help turn the stock around.
Well, we're really excited about the growth of the Snapchat community, which now reaches over 850 million people all over the world. And we're on pace for record annual revenue this year, driven by the engagement across the platform and the investments we've been making in our direct response advertising platform, especially for small and medium-sized customers.
But is there going to be a direct connection between these innovations that you're showcasing here and revenue? And how long will we start to see those investments boost your bottom line?
Well, the key to generating revenue is making great products that people love and want to use. And that's always been our focus. That's driven the growth of our community, the engagement with our products. And we're really excited about the way that people are going to use AR glasses. We think we're at a bit of a watershed moment. People are getting fed up with their screens and the way that they make them feel. And developers are feeling frustrated about developing for the smartphone platform. So I think we're at a unique moment where both consumers and developers are really ready for something new.